Hello everyone, I'm Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing great. This video is for those people who have this perception that they are not artistic or creative enough to create DIY projects by themselves. In this video I have shared 4 ideas, so let's start. So the first idea is that you can make any organic shape, and the best part is that you don't have to be perfect in any of them. Here I will be painting 3 to 4 organic shape of different colors. You can choose colors according to your liking. Good color combination plays very important role in making a simple art look beautiful. So if you have any doubts, you can take inspiration from several pictures present on internet. When you use 2 to 3 colors, you can change the look of same pot by rotating it. Now you can leave this as it is, but here I am using paint marker for freehand drawing. This is an additional step and you can totally skip it. Second idea is that you can paint the pot in any color and make simple brush strokes in contrasting color. So here I am painting the pot with blue color. And then I will make brush strokes with orange color like this. This is very simple and anybody can do it. So the third idea is that you can paint any natural landscape like mountains, hills, lakes and natural vegetation. And since these are all natural things, you don't have to be perfect in them as well. So the idea here is to make sky, mountains and sun. I'll be making sky with blue color, mountains with brown color and sun with orange color. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect at all, you can make them very easily. Fourth idea is to use stencil to draw any basic shape you want to make and then fill them with colors of your choice. So first here I painted the pot with brown color. And once it is dried, I am using this stencil to draw round petals with the help of pencil. Now I will fill the same with white color. Here I am joining flowers and leaves that I made with the help of stencil with freehand drawing. It was the third part of Terracota pot makeover, so if you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, I will leave the link in the description box below. You can check them out. I hope you like this video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.